A parsec is a real astronomical unit of measurement with cool origins. Yes, it measures distance, not time. Yes, the term was used improperly in the original Star Wars. Yes, I will absolutely get to that in a few minutes. No, Ashley, you're not getting out of this one.
Hey, I love Star Wars.
You're gonna love
know
it.
that I'm cosplayed as a Star Wars character.
This is true. Well, we're all going to love Star Wars by the end of this. Here's the deal. 1 parsec is equivalent to 3.26 light years. That's 19 trillion miles, or 31 trillion kilometers. If that seems excessive, that's because it absolutely is. But when it comes to measuring astronomically large distances between objects that are beyond our solar system, excessively large is just right. I said beyond our solar system, by the way. For you to travel 1 parsec from Earth, you would have to go from here to the sun and back 206,265 times. I told you it was big. The word parsec comes from 2 words, parallax and arcsecond. Parallax describes when an object's location seems to have changed because your location changed. Astronomers use parallax to judge the distance of objects in the sky. If you know how far the Earth has moved and you can measure how far the object moved across its starry backdrop, you can judge its distance. You actually use parallax to judge the distance of things all the time. Your 2 eyes see the world from slightly different angles, and your brain crunches the numbers to tell you how far away everything is from you. The second half of parsec refers to an arcsecond. An arcsecond is part of a measurement of an angle. You know how a circle is 360 degrees? Imagine you're standing with a full view of the horizon around you. If you sliced the horizon into 360 degrees, each degree would be about twice the width of the full moon. Divide one of those degrees into 60 pieces and you get the width of an arc minute. Divide one of those up by 60 again and you get an arc second. Putting it all together, a parsec is the parallax of 1 arc second. In other words, if an object in the sky moves by 1 arc second when the Earth moves by 1 astronomical unit, then the object is 1 parsec away. To put that in perspective, Proxima Centauri is the star that's our closest neighbor, and it's 1.3 parsecs away. For more perspective, the Millennium Falcon made the Kessel Run in 12 parsecs. And I'm sorry, pedants, but before you go criticizing Star Wars for this quote-unquote mistake, first you need to understand what the Kessel Run actually is. Feel free to skip forward 30 seconds or so if you can't handle my nerdiness. All right, in Star Wars canon, the Kessel Run is a route used by smugglers to transport an illicit substance from mines on the planet Kessel through a region of space that belongs to the Galactic Empire. So it's an illegal smuggling route. And this route includes a cluster of black holes known as the Maw. As you know, the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. So when Han Solo said he made the Kessel Run in 12 parsecs, he was referring to his daringness and piloting skills and the sophisticated computer on the Millennium Falcon that he was able to use to navigate close to those black holes while not getting sucked in. I was aware of this from reading books from the Star Wars Expanded Universe when I was a kid, but thanks to Disney, they are no longer canon. But they also address this in the 2018 film Solo, A Star Wars Story, which I still have not seen.
But they address all of this after the movie happened.
Doesn't matter.
That's the problem.
Doesn't matter.
They just made it up afterward to make that line okay.
Still works.
No.
Still works. That is art. That is how you craft a story.
I think this is the biggest debate we've ever had on this podcast.